So I just got my paintings back today from Michael's. I have a Banksy print, and one of my favorite artists has sent me a print of one of his new pieces. So I'm here to show you this. I'm going to go ahead and open it. When I originally got this, it was a rolled up piece of canvas. So I take it to Michael's and picked out the colors that I like. But this is my first one. So I use a lot of this stuff in staging. You'll see it in my house and in the other places that I store this stuff, and I'll just randomly come pick one off the wall and come put it in your house. I do that because each space is a little bit different and I have to kind of cater to each space. So I have lots of cool pieces. I also like to dumpster dive for them, and one of the ones right behind you is an old drawing from a church that I picked up, and there's another one on my wall that was some trench art that I got that was getting thrown out, and I had it framed. It was actually by a famous cartoon artist and illustrator. He's famous for doing trench art, and so I get all kind of neat pieces, and you might end up in your house someday. The next one, this is my all-time favorite artist in the whole world. And he is alive and well as we speak. And his name is Vago, Istvan Vago. So what makes him so special is he does enamel work, which is a lost art. So this is a canvas of a piece that he's done that's enamel. So the real original is actually a piece of copper that is crushed glass that has been fired over and over again in a kiln, and it melts. So we've been lucky enough over the years, he always wins the Pittsburgh Arts Festival awards, and we've been collecting his stuff for a little while now. He invited us to his studio in Budapest. So my husband and I and Avery, my youngest daughter, we all went to Hungary, and we got to go to Budapest. He showed us around, and we got to go to his studio and make a piece. So you can kind of see he's just not like some normal artist where you're going to put down some oil paint. This is a piece of copper, okay? So all of his pieces are on a piece of copper, and then it gets fired in a kiln, and then you take the pulverized glass and you paint it on, and then you have to fire it again. And each layer is fired. This has probably been fired 3 times. It took us about 8 hours to do. Another one of his paintings, like something like this, probably took him at least 3 months to do, because you have to wait in between the firing and the kiln. So he is world-renowned enamelist, and he's a super cool guy. And I can't wait for him to see what I've done to the canvas that he made. He'll be in this summer at the Pittsburgh Arts Festival, and we hope to have a nice art show for him at the jail if it ever gets done in time. So I just wanted to show you my newest adventure of the day. Thanks.